What's going on, guys? Tony here. I'm back. I am around. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a long time, maybe like a year. I've been just so busy with so many lifestyle changes and moving around, and it's been crazy, but I'm still here. I'm at my Dallas headquarters right now, North DFW here in like Denton, Argyle area, hanging out. And I'm looking for a car project that I want to put. I don't know. I want to do something. Check this out. Little smart car, 2009, 85,000 miles in Little Elm. Maybe I should buy this thing and put a crazy paint job on it. What do you think? 3,900 bucks. I'm sure we can get this thing very, very inexpensively. Let's check out the Blue Book quick. KBB.com. Car value. And you know, this is pretty easy to do. So I'll just look at, you could even just do my car's value, 2009. What is that? Smart. Smarty Smart Pants. 85,000. That's a low miles. 85,000 miles. I think this is the basic version. Yeah, it looks like the basic version. I may pick this up actually. Model for 285,000 miles. Next, let's check it out. It is a hatchback, right? This thing is not a convertible. No. All right. Lowest priced. I believe it's the lowest priced hatchback. Coupe Passion. Is it what is this thing? Runs and drives. I think it's the, it's the basic version. So they're asking 3,900. What is this thing valued at? Let's just get an idea. And now, you know, the Blue Books just give you an idea, you know, like I know trucks in Hawaii are always way above Kelley Blue Book values. Asian cars are normally above Kelley Blue Book values. Standard equipment here. What color is it? Blue. It looks like it's in very good condition. So I'll just put very good condition. I'm thinking it's going to say like 2,500 or I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, guys. I'm actually looking for a Miata. I'm looking for a second gen Mazda. One recall found. Okay, blah blah blah. Trade-in range. Trade-in range. 2,100 bucks. So they'll give you like around $2,000 for it, give or take 17 to 2. I would say you'll get $2,000 for it, 1,800 to $2,000. Private party should be around 32 to 35, I believe. Okay, so check this out. Private party range 3730, which is not bad. Okay, 3730. Here's a 2009 with 37,000 miles, 5,900. This guy's asking 3,900. I'm sure these guys will go like 25 cash without even playing games. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to text them right now, guys. Let's send them a text. And I will kind of maybe lowball it a little bit. Let's do a text. 214-670. And this could potentially be a flip if you get it cheap enough. 2207. Hi. Inquiring about your smart car, period. A few questions. So here are some of the questions. Does it need anything? Question mark. How are the tires? Question mark. It says new tires. Okay. So I'm not going to ask that question. Let me look back at the ad here. Runs perfectly, made by Mercedes. Yeah. Great for college students, commuting, no issues, new tires, blah, blah, blah. Clean Texas, cash only. So does it need anything? What's the best price you'll do? I'm thinking I have 2,500 cash. I won't do the offer yet because thank you. So I just put, what's the best price you'll do? Thank you. So usually, normally people will come down a few $100. Like he'll probably be like, just give me 36 for it or 35. I don't think I want to pay that much. I would scoop it for 25, 26, 2700. And I would do a little mini project out of this, like kind of like tweak it out a little bit. Maybe plasti dip the wheels, and maybe even candy the blue color. Just make it pop, just as a demo. It's a cute little car though. 85,000 miles is not bad. I mean, it's a little high, I guess, for a little 3-cylinder engine like this, but keep in mind that it is Texas, so he's been probably just have a long, just highway mileage on this thing. So anyway, let's just go back, and I will just save this in a different window. But I'm actually looking for a Mazda Miata, and this is what I like to do. I just like to browse through quick. You could look for specifics if you want to, when it comes to flipping, but you can also make a lot of money if you're niched because you know the car. If you want to specialize in just Mazdas, okay, and then if you want to get more specific, you can specialize in Miatas if you have if you really like them a lot. And it depends, because if you want to focus on sports cars or convertibles, right? The sales season, it's going to be, of course, you're going to get more people during March, April, May, June, July buying those cars versus in the winter, right? So you're going to have to keep that stuff in mind. But I just like to kind of see what's out there when I browse, because you never know. Like, look at this one. I think this is the guy that drives past my house. No, this is not the guy. This is a nice little C10, actually. This sucker can actually be maybe flipped on eBay. 12.5. 72 Chevy C10 step side for sale. 454 big block. I don't even know if he put it in. Had it dyno tested. Have paperwork, includes carburetor by Chuck. Man, I would take this 454 and put it in my Chevelle maybe. Also includes MSD ignition, not running inline 4-cylinder in truck, but not running, needs radiator and bed flooring. Great project truck with not much. So he's selling it as a project truck, which is not bad for 12 grand. I'm sure he'll take 10 for this thing. I am sure he'll take 10 for this thing. Has a little beater engine in it. So he does have the block. He's giving you the block, but it's not installed. It looks like Kimbar Racing in Garland. 465 horse. Wow. That's a pretty heavy duty looking block there, dude. 454. Nice. This would be a score if you get it for like 9 or 10, 8 to 10 grand. Because just the motor is probably at least 5 grand just for the motor. So you could buy something like this for even 10 grand, sell the motor for 5 grand, and then sell the truck alone for like 7,500 just, on eBay. Like, I guarantee this sucker will flip on eBay very, very fast. I mean, it looks like it's in really good condition. And the paint is not bad at all either. Like, this could be a potential moneymaker for a flipper. Just saying. Anyway, if you guys are liking this content, don't forget to check out howtobuyandsellyyourcars.com. If you're on YouTube, click the top right of this video here. You'll go to a card where I'm giving away a free guide. And I actually invite you to more free training on car flipping. I've been doing this for a long, long time. If you're on the desktop, just click the link down below on the desktop here. Wow, look at this. 13.5. How many miles? 138. That's actually not bad. Wow. Dude. Dude, 13 grand. Man, he'll probably take, man, 11 grand for this thing, maybe. Dude, this is, inside's clean. I've owned this car for about a year and a half. It stayed in the garage and really driven. I put about 4,000 miles on it. No mods other than a new clutch. It hasn't been lowered and fenders haven't been rolled or modified. Still original window sticker and manuals on the trunk. The good. I've gone through and performed the following maintenance. New OEM clutch, blah, blah, blah. New Continental DSW. Within the last 1 to 2,000 miles, I've changed the oil, training fluid, valve adjustment, new spark plugs. Wow, this is a great. The bad front bumper, oh yeah, matching VinTag, been resprayed in its life and it's chipping in places. Not bad. Soft top has a few small pinholes. Wasn't an issue. Dude, this looks like a nice little car. Little high mileage than what I really would like, but I mean, not bad. This is a classic S2000 right here. 2004, 16 years old. You know what? Let's give this guy a text and ask him what's the best he would do on it. So let's see. Posted 24 hours ago. I'll just reply by email. So I'll do that in a bit. Yeah. Anyway, it's Tony here. If you like this video, please like it, share, subscribe. And this is what I do on my downtime once in a while, where I look for cars because I love cars, right? I look for cars that I can add a little bit of value to. You don't want to buy cars that have too much, that need too much work, because you're going to be putting money in it. Then when you flip it, it's like, God, you're breaking even or not even making money, right? You want to make money. You want to make a couple grand for every car that you flip. So if you want to learn more about that, check out my in-depth courses. I've been actually helping people learn how to flip cars for profit since way back in 2008, actually. And it's been amazing. And if you look me up, if you look up some of my testimonials, people going through my programs, they actually get results. I've actually had a guy contact me on Instagram about a few months ago. He's like, Tony, do you remember me? I'm like, yeah, dude, I remember you. He's a Russian guy. He's like, I bought your course back in 2009. And since then, you know, like months after your course, I've saved up like 15 or 20 grand like that after going through your program and making money. Now I have my own used car dealership and I'm doing really well, blah, blah, blah. And he hit me up on Instagram. I was like, oh my God, dude. And now he wants to kind of get with me and help him like build an online business and stuff. Because that's like what I do as well. I have multiple online businesses and everything in between. So anyway, Tony here. Hope you guys liked this video. I'll talk to you soon. Subscribe, share, like, comment down below. Talk to you soon. Peace.